Hey guys, it's Katie. So for 2023, I decided to do another temperature blanket, but this time with a twist. So I'm going to be hosting a 2023 temperature blanket crochet along here on my YouTube channel as well as over on my TikTok, so be sure to follow both of those platforms if you guys want to keep up to date with what's going on. Essentially, every single day I'll be posting on TikTok, updating that day's like row, stitch, what's going on, and then I'll be posting every Sunday here on YouTube with the week's worth of crochet stitches. So for the temperature blanket, we're doing something a little different. We're changing the colors for every temperature, but every day we're also going to be doing a new unique crochet stitch. So it'll be a good way for everyone to kind of learn new stitches, and it's just kind of like a low maintenance project to do throughout the year whenever you have time to sit down and do it. But I figured posting a crochet along and hosting a crochet along will keep me accountable to finish my temperature blanket because I haven't finished one since 2017, but I am confident we'll finish this one this year. So I'm just going to go over and show you guys kind of the colors I'm using. We're going for kind of like a peachy, greeny, purpley kind of vibe, like very like nature-esque, I guess. But I'm going to go over and show you guys my yarn that I got. So I have my iPad here. This is where I use the Good Notes app to kind of keep track of all my temperature blanket stuff. So I have my little key here with my colors and my temperatures. And then I have my calendar for January. I have January 1st colored in because it is the 1st. So we started our first color, so that's exciting. But anyway, I'm going to share with you guys the colors that I'm using. So I have 8 colors. So for 25 degrees below, this is in Fahrenheit by the way, I live in the States, so 25 and below, I'm just using this yarn. It is just called the color purple. It's just like a dark plum color. I really like it, but that's my 25 below color. Now for 26 to 35 degrees, I have the color dark olive. So that just looks like this. Obviously a dark olive green color. Cute. Now for the temperatures 36 to 45 degrees, I am using the color ivory, which is just an ivory white color, obviously. And then for the temperatures 46 to 55, I'm using this color here. Sorry, I started crocheting my first day, so this color is just orange. We started our temperature blanket, so that's exciting. Temperature today was 48 degrees, so orange. Next, for the temperatures of 56 to 65, I have the color mixed berry, which is just kind of like a lighter, more berry purple color. I thought it was super cute. And then for 66 to 75 degrees, we have the color mango, which is just kind of like a peachy, orangey color. It's very light, cute, fun. And then for the 76 to 85 degrees, we have the color light sage, so just like a nice little like sage green. The colors aren't showing up very well on the camera just because it's dark outside, but I have like weird yellow lighting, but yeah, sage green. And then last but not least, for the temperatures 86 and above, I have the color light peach. So just a really light peachy color. This is so much prettier in person, but yeah, so that is all my colors that I'll be using. Let me show you everything kind of together if I can. These aren't in any kind of order, but that's the vibe we're going for. I think it'll be cute. Hopefully Oh god, yarn's falling everywhere. But yeah, so those are the colors I'm going to be using for this year's temperature blanket. I only ended up buying one skein of each color, except for like maybe 4 of them. The like colder temperatures, I bought 2 skeins because I know I'm going to be using those first before I get to the summer months. So I did that. I kind of just buy the yarn as I need it if I start running low throughout the year, because I don't know how much I'm going to need. So I start off with like 1 to 2 skeins, and then I just purchase more yarn as I need to. But everywhere is currently having yarn sales, so if you need to go and get some yarn for your temperature blanket, now's the time. I know Michael's was having a buy one get one half off sale. I think Joann's, everything's like, I don't know. I don't know what Joann's sale is, but I know everything's on sale until like mid-January, so you have time on that. Hobby Lobby has like 30% off all their yarn, so a lot of fun yarn sales for the new year to start your temperature blanket. It's a good time to start one. But yeah, so I'll see you guys on Sunday with the first week of temperature blanket stitches. And if you are following along, be sure to use the hashtag 2023 temperature blanket crochet along, CAL, and tag me on like Instagram, TikTok. I want to see your guys' different temperatures. I think that'll be fun. But yeah, that's all for today's video, and I hope you guys join in on the crochet along. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain.